Hello friends, in this video we will be learning about the fixed fields and information elements present in management frames in 802.11b. The management frame body consists of the fixed fields and the information elements. These are present in a specified order. First, fixed fields are present and then the information elements are present. The stations can ignore the information elements if it is unable to decode. The IE are present as shown. Thus, if the station does not understand the IE, it can simply skip the IE in the management frames. Let us look upon some of the fixed fields. Beacon interval field indicates T use between 2 TBTTS. Timestamp field indicates the current TSF timer value of the transmitter. Capability information field indicates the BSS capability for ESS, IBSS, CF pollable, city poll request, privacy, short preamble, PBCC, channel agility, etc. Current AP address indicates the current BSS ID of the AP with which the station is associated. Listen interval field indicates the number of beacon interval after which the station shall wake up and listen to the beacon frame. Association ID indicates the AID of the station assigned by the AP. Authentication algorithm number indicates the authentication algorithm being used. Authentication transaction sequence number indicates the progress of the authentication algorithm sequence transactions. Status code field indicates the success or failure of the request. Reason code field indicates the reason for deauthentication or disassociation. Now, we will discuss about the information elements. We have SSID as the IE that indicates the SSID of the BSS. We have TIM that indicates the parameters to support power save mechanisms. We have challenge text that indicates the challenge text within the authentication exchanges in the case of web. We have supported rates that indicates the supported rates in the units of 500 kbps. This also indicates the BSS basic rate set by setting MSB as 1 corresponding to the rate. We have FH parameter set, DS parameter set, CF parameter set, IBSS parameter set. FH parameter set is present if the beacon or probe response is generated by FHSS5. DH parameter set is present if the beacon or probe response is generated by DSSS5. CF parameter set is present only if the AP supports PCF. The parameters are used to support PCF. IBSS parameter set represents ATEM window length that is used in IBSS. This is present only in IBSS. That's all for this lecture. Thank you for watching this video.